Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, our listeners. Welcome to our podcast. Introduce myself. My name is Sulisti Alfani. I'm the host of this podcast. I study at UIN Bandung. Okay, in this podcast, we will talk about online learning. Before discussing her, I have three guest stars to discuss this discussion, namely my own college friends. Let's get acquainted with our guest star first. Assalamualaikum friends. How are you?
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I'm fine, thanks.
Alhamdulillah good.
Okay, before we discuss further, let's introduce ourselves first. Introduce the name and major. Brother Fahmi, introduce.
Okay. My name is Fahmi Musyafa. I am a student of UIN Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung, Department of Al-Quran and Tafsir Science, Faculty of Usuluddin, semester 4. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. The next, Brother Harry.
Okay, introduce myself. My name is Harry Alvindri. You can call me Harry or Alvin. I am from Department IAT Ilmu Al-Quran dan Tafsir UIN Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung. Thank you.
Thank you. The next, Brother Amal.
Okay, thank you. Introduce myself. My name is Ikhlasul Amal from the Islamic Criminal Law Study Program, Faculty of Sharia and Law, semester 4.
Okay, thank you. The next, in your opinion, in this online learning effective during lecture? According Brother Amal, what do you think?
My opinion, I think distance or online learning is less effective for me, especially when I am studying. There must be direct contact with teachers or friends so that we can exchange ideas directly. So what is learned during lectures can be understood optimally and can be put into practice.
Okay, thank you, Brother Amal. The next, Brother Fahmi, what do you think?
In my opinion, this online learning runs smoothly, which is an obstacle because my house in a village, so it's difficult to signal, and I have to be a bit extra to take part in this online learning. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Brother Fahmi. And the next, Brother Harry.
Okay, for me, in my opinion, less effective because we learn that we do not meet directly with teacher, and sometimes we like to be irregular when we enter. So that's that the maximum words is obtained. Maybe it is from me. Okay.
Okay, thank you for all. The second question, what are the advantages and disadvantages of this online learning that you have experienced? Brother Harry, what do you think?
Okay. Now, if we talk about advantage and disadvantage, of course there is there. If the drawback it's network constraints, and this, in my opinion, is the most safer. Why? because if there is no network, yeah, automatic we cannot enter to class. If the access is a lot of free time, can the use it such as helping the parents and others. Maybe it is from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Brother Ferry. And the next, Brother Fahmi.
Thank you. In my opinion, advantage of online learning, the first time is more flexible, and the second simple, and the last compared to online more cost effective. And the efficiency of online learning, the one is limited internet connection, and the second difficult to catch material, and last the default is lazy to lay down.
Okay, thank you, Brother Fahmi. And the next, Brother Amal.
Okay, my opinion, for me, the drawback is that the online learning process has the potential not to reach students optimally because there is no direct contact between lecturers and student. If we look for the advantage of this online learning process, I think it might be time efficiency. We can maximize free time if there are no online lecture hours, namely by helping parents and or even looking for side money. With that, maybe we can make the most of it and make the most of it. This online learning process, maybe that.
Okay, thank you for all. Next question. What is the impression of this online learning message? Brother Amal, what do you think?
I think the impression during online learning is that maybe I have to think fast because there are so many tasks that have deadlines. Thank you.
Thank you, Brother Amal. And the next, Brother Hari. What do you think?
For me, first I feel cool and exciting, especially we just entered college, but it is getting less and less fun because it seems to ineffective. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Brother Hari. And next, Brother Fahmi.
My impression and message during this online learning are initially it was good to study at home while doing what you were doing. No need to bother coming to campus. No need to prepare to. But getting the more lazy it is. Sometimes lecture just fill in the absence. Study will go to sleep.
Okay, thank you, Brother Fahmi. And thank you all. The last question. What do you think your hopes are for the future? The first, Brother Harry.
Okay. I hope, I hope the next semester we can learn face to face, so that learning is effective. The knowledge gained is also more berkah, yeah, and of course a lot of experience. Thank you.
Thank you, Brother Harry. And the next, Brother Fahmi.
My hope it's better because COVID-19 is no longer there. So the campus immediately take action by requiring offline for all campus students. And if you want it to be carried out online, the campus must also be strict in its rules.
Okay, thank you, Brother Fahmi. And the next, Brother Amal.
Okay, I hope that this online learning will pass soon and face-to-face learning can be implemented quickly. Thank you.
Okay. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. The podcast in this discussion has been completed. To all of my friends who have taken the time and their talks to make this podcast possible. Thank you and see you later. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for all.
Yo, for